Welcome to Pharaoh's Legacy. We delve into the fascinating secrets of ancient Egyptian civilization, uncovering the mysteries that have puzzled humanity for centuries. From the awe-inspiring pyramids to the enigmatic hieroglyphs, we'll explore the incredible achievements of this ancient culture and the stories they left behind. If you enjoy unraveling the past and discovering hidden truths, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and become part of our growing community. And here's a question for you. Which mystery of ancient Egypt would you like us to explore in depth next? Let us know in the comments below, and together, we'll journey into history's most captivating enigmas. The pyramids of Giza have captivated the human imagination for millennia. Towering above the sands of Egypt, these ancient monuments serve as a testament to human ingenuity, determination, and ambition. Their construction remains one of the greatest mysteries of the ancient world, sparking debates among historians, archaeologists, and engineers. How did a civilization over 4,500 years ago achieve such architectural marvels with no advanced machinery? What secrets lie within their massive stone walls? To uncover these mysteries, we must embark on a journey through history, science, and speculation, unraveling the story of the pyramids one layer at a time. The historical context. Author's fortune. By that, he means his decision. Quoted saying, "I went to hell so I could find my soul. I died so I could find Christ and be with my family." The Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest and most iconic of the trio, was built during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu around 2560 BCE. It is one of the seven wonders of the ancient world, and the other two pyramids, those of Khafre and Menkaure, were constructed during the reigns of Khufu's successors. Together, these pyramids form part of a larger necropolis that includes the Sphinx, temples, and other smaller structures. Ancient Egyptians built pyramids as tombs for their pharaohs, believing that these rulers would ascend to the afterlife. The pyramids symbolized a stairway to the heavens, ensuring the immortality of the pharaoh's soul. But the question remains, how did the Egyptians, with their limited tools and technology, construct such colossal structures? By measuring timber on the scales of their cities erected and placing them in the ground? Could Schwartz nodded? Positive or negative? Could it be one of the twins from the monastery and destroy that entire city? Theories of construction. Numerous theories attempt to explain the construction of the pyramids, each offering unique insights into the methods and techniques employed. Let's delve into some of the most prominent hypotheses. 1. The ramp theory. One of the most widely accepted theories is the use of ramps to move the massive limestone and granite blocks into place. The ramp system might have taken several forms. Straight ramps, a long straight ramp extending from the base to the construction site. Was zigzagging ramps? Ramps that zigzagged up the pyramid's faces? A spiral ramp encircling the pyramid as it grew in height. Each of these designs had its challenges. For example, a straight ramp would have required an enormous amount of material and space, while a spiral ramp might have restricted access to the pyramid's core. Nonetheless, experiments have shown that such ramps could feasibly transport stones weighing several tons. 2. The internal spiral ramp theory. French architect Jean-Pierre proposed a more innovative solution, an internal spiral ramp. According to this theory, the pyramid was built from the inside out, with workers hauling stones up a ramp constructed within the pyramid itself. This design would have conserved space and materials while providing stability during construction. Although this theory remains speculative, computer simulations and structural analyses lend it some credibility. 3. Lever and pulley systems. Another theory suggests that the Egyptians used levers and pulleys to lift the massive stones. By employing simple machines, workers could multiply their strength and maneuver blocks into precise positions. This approach aligns with the Egyptians' documented knowledge of mechanical advantage, evidenced in their other engineering feats. End of note. 4. Water-based techniques. Some researchers propose that water played a crucial role in easing the transportation and placement of stones. One intriguing hypothesis involves wetting the sand in front of sledges to reduce friction, a technique that has been experimentally validated. Another theory suggests the use of floating barges to transport stones via canals connected to the Nile River. The workforce behind the marvel. The construction of the pyramids required a massive and highly organized workforce. Contrary to popular belief, these workers were not slaves, but rather skilled laborers, farmers, and artisans who worked on the project during the agricultural off-season. Archaeological evidence from workers' villages near the pyramids reveals a well-fed and cared-for workforce. They lived in organized settlements, received medical treatment, and even consumed a diet rich in meat and bread. The coordination of tens of thousands of workers speaks to the Egyptians' advanced administrative capabilities. Engineers, architects, and laborers collaborated to execute a vision that would stand the test of time. The sheer scale of this effort underscores the Egyptians' dedication to their religious and cultural ideals. Mysteries hidden within. The pyramids are more than just architectural wonders. They are repositories of enigmas that continue to baffle researchers. Let's explore some of these enduring mysteries. 1. The alignment and precision. The Great Pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal points, north, south, east, and west. The precision of this alignment, achieved without modern instruments, raises questions about the Egyptians' astronomical and mathematical knowledge. How did they achieve such accuracy? Some speculate that the Egyptians used the stars, particularly the constellation Orion and the star Sirius, as reference points. 2. The hidden chambers. Advanced scanning technologies have revealed anomalies within the Great Pyramid, suggesting the presence of hidden chambers. In 2017, researchers discovered a void above the Grand Gallery, approximately 30 meters long. The purpose of this void remains unknown. Was it a structural necessity, a ceremonial space, or a secret burial chamber? The answer continues to elude us. 3. The Sphinx connection. The Sphinx, located near the pyramids, adds another layer of mystery. Its purpose and origin are still debated. Some believe it was built by Pharaoh Khafre, while others suggest it predates the pyramids. The erosion patterns on the Sphinx's body have led some geologists to argue that it was carved during a wetter period, thousands of years earlier than the accepted timeline. Theories beyond conventional archaeology. The pyramids have inspired a plethora of alternative theories that venture beyond mainstream archaeology. While these ideas are often dismissed as speculative, they add to the allure of the pyramids. 1. Extraterrestrial assistance. One of the most controversial theories posits that the pyramids were built with the help of extraterrestrial beings. Proponents of this idea argue that the Egyptians lacked the technology to construct such advanced structures on their own. While there is no concrete evidence to support this theory, it remains a popular topic in pop culture and speculative fiction. Every decade or so, the Zeotics et Garther comes up in discussion. His old friends, of course, such as Luther Gaston, uncover more and more public debate about the truth of the pyramids. Further stems Ku's business, some of small pyramids like the holes. 2. Lost ancient technologies. Another theory suggests that the Egyptians possess advanced technologies that have since been lost to history. These could include sophisticated tools for cutting and shaping stone, or even anti-gravity mechanisms for lifting heavy blocks. While intriguing, these claims lack substantial evidence and remain in the realm of conjecture. 3. Symbolic energy fields. Some researchers propose that the pyramids were not merely tombs, but also energy generators. According to this theory, their shape and orientation harnessed cosmic or earth energies for spiritual or practical purposes. While this idea lacks scientific backing, it underscores the profound cultural and spiritual significance of the pyramids. Modern insights and continuing research. Advancements in technology are shedding new light on the pyramids. Tools such as 3D modeling, ground-penetrating radar, and muon tomography are revealing previously hidden aspects of these ancient structures. These techniques are helping researchers map internal passages, analyze construction methods, and even date the materials used. Collaborative, international efforts are also fostering a deeper understanding of the pyramids within their cultural and historical context. By combining archaeology, engineering, and digital technologies, modern scholars are piecing together the story of how and why these monumental structures were built. Cultural and religious significance. Pyramids were not merely architectural feats, they were deeply embedded in the spiritual and cultural fabric of ancient Egyptian society. Their construction reflected the Egyptians' belief in the afterlife and their pharaoh's divine status. The orientation of the pyramids, their inscriptions, and their placement within the necropolis reveal a meticulous effort to connect the earthly and celestial realms. Religious symbolism. The pyramid's design mirrored the Egyptians' cosmological beliefs. The pyramid shape itself is thought to represent the rays of the sun, signifying the pharaoh's ascent to join the sun god Ra. The interiors of the pyramids were decorated with texts and symbols to guide the deceased ruler through the afterlife, ensuring their immortality and divine status. The pyramids were dedicated to the worship of the sun god, and are now used as the common term for a gate by ghosts. Connection to the stars. Many researchers believe the pyramids were aligned with specific celestial events and bodies. The shafts within the Great Pyramid, for example, point to stars that were significant in Egyptian mythology. These alignments might have served ceremonial purposes, linking the pharaoh to the heavens and ensuring a smooth transition to the afterlife. Challenges in preservation and satisfying climactic moments with superb taste. The hero's hybrid profile is demonstrated by police sources who report with more conviction. The pyramids have withstood millennia of natural and human challenges, but their preservation remains a constant concern. Erosion from wind, sand, and pollution continues to threaten these ancient monuments. Additionally, the impact of tourism, including vibrations from nearby urban development, poses significant risks. You can unfathom the challenges we are facing, let alone maintain the cooperation of an ancient species. Richard reminded them. Efforts to protect the pyramids. The Egyptian government, along with international organizations, has undertaken numerous initiatives to preserve the pyramids. These include limiting access to vulnerable areas, employing advanced materials for restoration, and monitoring environmental factors that contribute to degradation. Education campaigns also aim to raise awareness about the importance of preserving these global treasures. Nevertheless, the pyramid problem exists, with far more people as active participants in their rehabilitation. Conclusion: a testament to human achievement. The pyramids of Giza remain an enduring symbol of human ambition and creativity. While the exact methods of their construction may never be fully understood, they continue to inspire awe and wonder. Each stone, each alignment, and each chamber tells a story of a civilization's quest for immortality and its ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. The mystery of the pyramids is not just a question of how they were built, but also why they continue to captivate us. Perhaps their greatest secret lies not in the methods of their construction, but in their power to connect us to our shared human past, reminding us of what we are capable of achieving when imagination and determination align. As we continue to uncover their secrets, the pyramids stand as a timeless testament to the genius of the ancient world and the enduring curiosity of the human spirit.